Now, and I love the phrase you had earlier today. You said, this week the heat's going to intensify.
Yeah.
It's going to intensify.
If it could only get hotter than this, it feels like we're at our limits now. But yeah, that's actually what we're kind of tracking over the next couple of days. So it could be a dangerous situation too. So a lot of people urged to, you have to spend time outdoors, at least take a lot of water with you. Right now it is still warm out. Even at this hour, we have clear skies, but heat's just not radiating back into the atmosphere. It is still 91 degrees right now. Early tomorrow morning, we'll start out with some of that low cloud cover, temperatures in the upper 70s, but it'll break up within a couple of hours. And by noon, we are already back in the mid-90s, 95 by noon tomorrow. That's where we were today. Mostly clear 91 at Camp Mabry, 89 out of ABIA, a few more clouds there. And our winds, we've had a bit of a breeze today. They're anywhere between about 18 miles an hour out at the airport. They'll stay between 5 and 10 overnight tonight. Right now, still 91 at this hour in Llano, 93 in Georgetown, 90 in Bastrop, 88 degrees in San Marcos. Fredericksburg, the coolest spot on the map, down to about 86. Now, this heat is not contained just to Texas. It's across the entire country, especially the eastern part of the country, where Washington at this hour, 88 degrees, New York, 89. They had temperatures similar to ours this afternoon, where we were in the low 100s, and it's still, of course, 95 in Dallas. So much of the country that doesn't normally see these kind of temperatures have been seeing them for more than a week, and it looks like this pattern is going to actually continue into at least the first part of next week. There's that ridge of high pressure that we've been talking about. It's going to be actually just kind of over the southeastern half of the country right now. Last week, you notice it was all the way up the east coast, starting to break down a little bit, and it's actually going to shift back to the west, and that's actually going to give us the opportunity for slightly higher temperatures the first part of this week. So while our skies remain mostly clear, this high pressure pattern is going to continue, and we're even going to add in the additional threat of heat index values up to 109. That's where they hit this afternoon. We can expect it again tomorrow. That means if you spend time outdoors, you're definitely going to need to make sure you take those heat precautions. Let's go hour by hour through our forecast. Overnight tonight, we have mostly clear skies until the early morning hours when those low clouds develop. They'll clear out very quickly, mostly clear skies through the afternoon, no chance for rain. And then we go into your Monday, where we start out again with some of that early morning cloud cover that breaks up before noon. Tonight, temperature-wise, here's what you can expect. Mid-70s in the hill country, upper 70s in the metro area and along our eastern counties. And for tomorrow, just look at these temperatures. A little above 100 degrees in most areas. When you factor in the humidity, the heat index values will be anywhere, again, between 103 and 109. So it's going to feel even hotter than the actual temperature. Tonight, down to 78 here in Austin. For tomorrow, 103 your afternoon high. Here's that 7-day forecast. Notice Monday, Tuesday, temperatures just a touch warmer. 105 possible on Tuesday. These temperatures continuing all the way through the end of the week, and we're hopeful for that 20% chance of a shower next Saturday, but that chance is being optimistic as of right now.